Welcome back to another day in the life with Yeada. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you love to watch, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Glammo squad. Today's video, y'all, it's gonna be a cute little vloggy vlog because it is my mom's and my oldest niece's birthday. And we have a little surprise for my niece. My mom knows exactly what's going down today, but for my niece, she has no idea. Y'all, we got her a little limo set up for her and her friends to take them downtown Chicago to the sugar factory for a little late lunch / early dinner. It's gonna be so cute, y'all, and I have to capture it all. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along for the ride today. Before we hop into any festivities, I gotta go get them a gift, okay? I'm kind of last minute, but we're gonna find something. So I'm about to run to the store to get some flowers for both of them, and then I'm trying to wait until the mall open up, which is 10:30 now. The mall don't open up until 11, and I'm just gonna get my niece a gift card because she likes to do her own shopping, child. Anything you buy her, if she don't like it, it's going back to the store. So I'll let her do her own shopping. And for my mom, I'm gonna find her something. I don't know exactly what I'm looking for just yet, but I know something is gonna catch my eye, and I know her style, so I'm gonna find something. But yes, so I'm gonna take y'all with me for that too. So we're gonna get flowers, run to the mall, come back, change, and then head out to my niece's house for her little surprise, and then head downtown. So let's roll. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, you can't. Okay, y'all, so we secured the flowers, and they're so cute. Y'all, I just got 4 half a dozen roses for $18. Not bad at all, and they cute. So they both get a dozen. So I got these ones for my niece, and then I got my mom the red roses. So it is now 10:56, y'all. It's raining. 10:56. So by the time I get down to the mall, they should be opening the doors. So let's go. I got the gift card, y'all. The mall, now I know why I don't go to the mall to shop, because they don't be having nothing, okay? Like nothing. So I'm headed to TJ Maxx because while I was in Macy's, I remember I'm like, oh, my mom said that she needed a new luggage, like the smaller luggage with the wheel, like the 4 wheels. So I'm about to go over here and get her a cute one from TJ Maxx, and then we're gonna head home. But yeah, y'all, the mall, now I know why I just either shop online or go to the same stores, because they whack, wiggity wiggity whack. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I have made it back home, and I have changed outfits, of course. So I am dressed and ready to go. I'm about to head to my parents' house so I can give my mom her gift. I ended up securing both gifts. I got her a carry-on luggage and my niece a gift card so she can go shopping on her own. I did end up getting them both some flowers and birthday cards, of course. So we're about to head over there, and then we're gonna head to my brother so we can get my niece's reaction on this limo that's about to pull up on her. Y'all, I'm excited to see how her reaction is because she never really reacts to certain things. So we're about to get up out of here, so I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Here's the birthday girl, y'all. Ma.
Oh, make sure my hair right.
Oh gosh. So we about to head out. We about to head to the sugar factory. So I'll show you guys when we get there. She too lit.
Too lit. Too lit to quit.
Alright, y'all.
She's sitting here taking a picture of herself.
Oh, stop. Don't act like you don't.
She is hilarious. Doing a little birthday shopping.
I'm doing it for the gram.
Today has been a successful day, right?
Yes, because it's my birthday.
She been too turned up. Look at that. She been too turned up all day, y'all. Now we about to head home. All right, y'all, so I have made it back home and your girl is tired, so I am gonna close out this vlog here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me today. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.